In this video, I will show you how to add a sticky add to cart button on Shopify. To do this, go and open up Shopify and click on add apps right here and go to the Shopify App Store. Now from there's one that I recommend, but what you can do is just search for sticky add to cart and there you will see all the options. There are quite a few good ones. The one that I would personally use is SEO End, which is an app specifically for sticky add to cart, but you can go through all of the apps and just see which one you like most. Now you have a little preview right here of what kind of stuff you can create. Now they do have a free plan available, but it's only for 25 clicks. After that it will be $8 per month. Now this one right here is completely free. And this app also does more, so you can also try this one, but for this example I'll just set it up with the SEO End app. But again, you don't have to pick this one, there are a lot of good options available. Just install the one that you want and confirm by clicking on install, and the setup process is pretty similar for all of them. So from here just click let's start now, and then click enable app embed. That's something you will always have to do. Then in the left menu here you need to make sure it's toggled on, and then click on save. After doing that, you can close that tab, and now you can just click use SEO End free. And now you have already created it. Now what you can do is just go to your online store and go and customize it. So now once you have enabled it, you can then click on sticky cart right here to customize what it actually looks like. So you can enable the ones that you want. So you have your sticky add to cart and sticky cart and a quick buy button. So just enable whichever ones you want and then customize them. So after clicking customize, you can see what it looks like right here. So this is the sticky add to cart. Now you can also see it for mobile. Then you can choose how the colors look, what fonts they have, and pretty much anything here you can go and change to your branding. Then under settings, you can go through the pixels, you can add custom CSS code, and you can change the language. Now in terms of pricing, again, you can use it for free up to 25 clicks, and then after that it will be $8 per month, or if you pay yearly it will be $6 per month. So now you know how to add a sticky add to cart button on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't yet created your Shopify account, you can claim a 3-day free trial and then 3 months for €1, dollar or pound per month through the link down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.